Hello student, I am Shivam Sukla. Today I am telling you haloalkanes and haloarenes. Student, in this video I am telling you method of preparation of haloalkanes or alkyl halide. So look here, methods of preparation of alkyl halide or haloalkanes from alcohol. Alcohol react with concentrate HCl and anhydrous ZnCl2 to form alkyl chloride. In the place of formula of alcohol is ROH. In the place of R we can take C2H5. So this is called ethyl alcohol or ethanol. Ethyl alcohol or ethanol react with concentrate HCl and anhydrous ZnCl2 to form C2H5Cl. C2H5Cl is called ethyl chloride or chloroethane. OH and H combine to form water H2O. Alcohol, so we can say finally alcohol react with HCl, concentrate HCl and anhydrous ZnCl2 to form alkyl chloride. This is called Lucas reagent. Next, B part. B part is alcohol react with phosphorus trichloride to form alkyl chloride. Alcohol ROH react with phosphorus trichloride to form alkyl chloride. And this is H3PO3. H3PO3 orthophosphorus acid. So second part, we can alcohol react with PCl. Alcohol react with phosphorus trichloride to form alkyl chloride. In the place of R we can take C2H5. C2H5OH plus PCl3 to form C2H5Cl plus H3PO3. बच्चों, alcohol react with phosphorus trichloride to form ethyl chloride and orthophosphorus acid. Next, alcohol react with phosphorus pentachloride to form alkyl halide. Alcohol react with phosphorus pentachloride to form alkyl chloride. C2H5OH plus PCl5 give C2H5Cl plus POCl3 plus H and Cl combine to form HCl. Dear students, alcohol react with phosphorus pentachloride to form ethyl chloride, phosphorus oxy trichloride and hydrogen chloride. Next, alcohol react with thionyl chloride in presence of pyridine to form alkyl chloride. Alcohol, we can take ethanol. Alcohol react with thionyl chloride SOCl2 to form C2H5Cl. In case of alcohol, we can take ethanol. So look here, ethanol or ethyl alcohol react with thionyl chloride in presence of pyridine to form C2H5Cl, ethyl chloride or chloroethane. SO2 and HNCl combine to form HCl. Okay student, after this next method is from free radical halogenation. Number 2, free radical halogenation. Free radical halogenation of alkane. Alkane react with halogen to form alkyl chloride, to form mixture of alkyl chloride. This is butane, CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3, butane react with chlorine in presence of H nu light, UV light, then H and Cl combine to form HCl. We get CH3, CH2, 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 Cl. CH3, CH2, 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 Cl. This is called 1-chlorobutane, and we get again H and Cl combined to form HCl, and we get CH3CH, CH2, CH3 and Cl attached here. CH3, CH, CH2, CH3 and Cl attached here. So we get the mixture of 1-chlorobutane and 2-chlorobutane. Next method, from alkene and alkyne. Halogenation of alkene and alkyne. Number 3, from alkene and alkyne. Formula of alkene is CH2 double bond CH2. Alkene react with chlorine to form CH2Cl and CH2Cl. To form CH2Cl bond CH2Cl. So we can say ethene react with chlorine to form 1,2 dichloroethane or ethylene dichloride. Ethylene react with chlorine to form ethylene dichloride. Next, alkyne. First member of alkyne is ethyne, so we can take here ethyne. Other name, common name is acetylene. Ethyne react with chlorine to form 1,2 dichloroethene, which again react with chlorine in presence of H nu. One Cl attached here, one Cl attached here. We get CH, Cl3 and CH, Cl3. CH, Cl2. One Cl attached here, then we get CH, Cl2 and CH, Cl2. So final product is 1, 1, 1, 2, 2 tetrachloroethane. Acetylene react with chlorine to form acetylene dichloride and finally acetylene tetrachloride. Next, this is the third method. Fourth method, from alkane. Alkane react with chlorine to give a mixture of monochloroalkane, dichloro, trichloro, tetrachloro. So give a mixture of alkyl halides. Next is Number 4, from alkane. In case of alkane, first alkane is methane. So we can take methane. Methane react with chlorine in presence of H nu, UV light or sunlight give CH3. H and Cl combine to form HCl and one Cl attached here. We get CH3Cl. Again CH3Cl react with Cl2. Again H and Cl combine to form HCl and one Cl attached here. We get CH2Cl2. Again CH2Cl2 react with chlorine. H and Cl combine to form HCl. One Cl attached here. We get CHCl3. CHCl3 react with chlorine. H and Cl combine to form HCl and this Cl attached here. We get CCl4. So students, we can say methane react with chlorine to form monochloromethane. Monochloromethane react with chlorine. Monochloromethane or methyl chloride react with chlorine in presence of sunlight, UV light or H nu gives dichloromethane. Dichloromethane react with chlorine to give trichloromethane or chloroform. Chloroform react with chlorine to form tetrachloromethane. Okay students, these are the method of preparation of alkane. So prepare it for board exam.